for this amazing space. My name is Brent Valdez. You may have seen me in GMA Network's teleseries such as Kambal Karibal, Legal Wives, Voltes 5, Widow's War, Lolong, at marami pa. Pero ngayon, I will be hosting this event and I will be your collaborator as well. And so before we start our program, I would like to acknowledge the presence of some of our friends from the media. Hello po, hello sa inyo lahat. I hope you will enjoy today's event.
Ang ano lang namin lagi sa mga customers namin, sa mga guests namin is please support the bar. Yun lang. If you support the bar, then we will be able to also sustain whatever we have here. We would be able to maintain it, and we can actually share it to more people. So that's what actually the collaboration space is all about. So nakalagay nga dito, no competition, just collaboration. So this is the community that we are aiming to build. So sana, as we have our, on what we do here, we wanted to provide actually the materials. So yun nga, kanina I was discussing. We have our materials here that actually can be used for free. So anyone who comes here, whether they want to have an inspiration about their next project, or whether they want to have a photo shoot for their products, so they can actually use these materials, basta within the space na, relation to water. So makikita nyo from there, when you enter, no, yung flow talaga ng space is very continuous. No? So that's what we wanted to share with him kasi nung nagsisimula pa lang kami. We wanted for him to parang interpret our goal, which is to basically give a flowing, parang you want to have your Zoom meetings, so pwede mo yung gamitin. Yeah. We also rent out, of course, the entire space.
For the membership. Anyways, and as Ms. Coco mentioned, Collab is more than just a space. Not only is it a space to get inspired, it is also the headquarters of different companies that prompted the birth of Collab.
So, ano ba dapat? Kasi I'm the type of person na hindi ako pwedeng nakaupo lang. So, noong pandemic, 2 weeks, nung 1 week pa lang, ano na kayang gagawin ko? So, here right now. So, one of my business partner told me, Karen, do you know Arabica? Sabi ko, Arabica, you mean the brand? Sabi ko, of course, di ba? Sabi niya, okay, they wanted to come in the Philippines. Do you want to partner? Do you want to build Arabica? Sabi ko, I thought they just close, di ba? Kaka-close na nila. Sabi ko, yes. Sabi ko, why not? Because this is a good opportunity. Once you have ventured from marketing and then from PR, you wanted something more solid. You wanted something more tangible. Kasi when it comes to events, ano siya, one day, to be honest, ingress ka, makinig ka sa English sa pagod, tapos egress ka na din. Pero when it comes to brand, andun yung fulfillment mo. Andun yung ginawa ko to, baby ko to, something like that. So when we started Arabica, in a year, we built a warehouse. 2 branches. In a year, just for a span of year. Imagine that in the Philippines. So, walang tulog, walang pahinga, ayan, alam ni Net yan. Lahat, as in, hindi ko na, to be honest, this is something na hindi ko na-enjoy during, yun yung pinag-usapan namin during the event. Kasi everything happens so fast. You don't even have the time to really sit down and talk with everyone. So, syempre, you have to think about retirement as well. And then we wanted to, ano ba yun, slower, things is slower. So we thought about, how about let's combine everything that we have.
Architects don't limit themselves now to designing our dream houses or dream businesses. They are also here now to also have, they also architect marketing for us. No? Okay. So of course, on July 17th, we're gonna have engineers.
I'm looking forward to, of course, meet everyone who will be joining the event, this series, as picture. Wala akong mapapangako may makukuha kayo sa akin. Dahil puro kalokohan ako. Sana aware sila ko sa contents ko kasi may pagkasiraulo, may pagkasiraulo talaga.
bago kay Slater. Tapos na yun ako si Slater muna ako sa